If you put the same people in the same room looking at the same grey walls, it is no wonder that often they come up with the same old grey ideas.
女士们、先生们，请您注意，以下的设备在飞机起飞或降落以及座位安全带指示灯启亮时都禁止使用。
Good morning. Guess where I am?
Oh, hello.
Hi everybody, my name is Yuri from The Magic Sauce. Welcome to Bali. Bali is about 2 hours away from Singapore. It's a nice place to get away for a nice long weekend. Now I want to do a quick video on the environment and how it impacts your creativity. Because let me ask you a question, where do you have your best ideas? Most likely you're thinking of, I have my best ideas while I'm driving, or when I'm on the train, or walking the dog, or in the shower, or on the toilet even. I have yet to hear somebody say, I have my best ideas in my cubicle or in the boardroom meeting at the office. If you put the same people in the same room looking at the same grey walls, it is no wonder that often they come up with the same old grey ideas. There's a reason for that. Your environment has a massive impact on two major things. One, environment impacts your state, how you are at any given time. And the environment is a great source of inspiration. Now, I don't know whether you're like me, but I have my best ideas when I am relaxed. When I'm in a relaxed state and my brain finds it easier to make connections between often seemingly unrelated things. The second one is the environment as a source of inspiration. Many musicians, authors, entrepreneurs, artists. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. The second is using your environment as a source of inspiration. Most artists and authors and musicians, even entrepreneurs, got some of their best ideas whilst traveling around the world, seeing different things, and thus filling their brain with new inspiration to make new connections with. And here's some of you thinking, well, hang on, that's easy for you to say. You're on an island there in the sun. I actually have to work in an office. Well, even there, think about the places that zap your creative energy. Maybe you step outside the office. Maybe some people don't have the opportunity. Maybe there are things that you can do with your office environment that will spark creativity in your people. Now, a little caveat here is a lot of people have seen pictures of the Google office and have gone, okay, if I want my people to be more creative, I'm going to turn this entire office space into an open plan with lava lamps and with bean bags and with a jukebox. That might not work for everybody. Maybe for some person that's a great place, great inspirational place to have ideas, or somebody else it doesn't work. So the key with the environment is change it a bit, find what works for you. So to give you an example, I often step out and find a relaxing little coffee place if I want to do some creative writing, or I need to come up with some creative ideas for a client that works for me. But when I need to focus and get something done, let's say by a certain deadline, I would do that in a different space. So I use different spaces for different modes. For creativity, that space works for me. When I need to focus and knuckle down and get something done, maybe that space doesn't work and I go somewhere else. Your environment has an impact on how you are, your state, and it's a great source of inspiration. So go out into the world and find a space that works for you. Goodbye!